Welcome back everyone. In the previous video we learned how to create tables and understood PostgreSQL data types. But a table without data isn't very useful. So today we will learn how to insert records into our table using the insert into statement. So I am already connected to my database student DB. First you need to connect to that and we need to create a table. Since I dropped both the tables and I do not have any existing table, I'll be creating one with the commands that I have already written beforehand. So I'll just copy this and paste it over here. So our table is created. Now let us verify. Yes. So this is our table that is created. Now let us insert our records. So for inserting our records, this is the command. This is my first record that I'll be inserting. It is pressed, so one record is inserted. Now value must follow the column order. Strings go inside the single quotes and numbers don't require quotes. That is the rule. Like see, values must follow the column order. So column order, my first column was create table students. First was ID. ID is integer, so I have pointed 1 over here. Name was Varkar, so Rohan is the name. Age is 20 and city is Delhi. So this order must be followed while inserting the data. Now how can we insert multiple records? Suppose let me insert another one, then I'll come to multiple records. That is also inserted. Now let us understand how can we insert multiple records. We can insert multiple records in this way. We will just write the values one after another within brackets and then at the last we will press enter. That's it. Multiple rows can be inserted using a single statement only. Now how can we insert column name? Let us understand that. For this stands as the command. So let us open it. Paste anyway. Yes. So now age and city becomes null because they were not supplied. So let me insert into the age and city. Okay. So for that I'm so sorry. Open the wrong page. This. Let me just copy and paste it over here. So that is also done. Now I will create another table. Say suppose I want to create another table by the name employees. So I have created it. Yes, it's already created. Now I want to insert data into it. Revise the same thing. So I am inserting data over here. Notice one thing, that we are inserting a new data type which is date. So date is also inserted. Now number of values must match the table structure unless column names are specified. So we cannot insert wrong data type. Like if I have mentioned the data type ID as int, it should be integer only. I cannot mention ABC. Now if I would be like me to give you some homework, your homework will be to create a table name books and insert 5 records which will have book ID, title, author and price. Now you can get some interview question like what is the purpose of inserting two statements? Can we insert multiple records using a single query? What happens if we omit column names? What is the difference between null and zero? Why are string values enclosed in single quotes? Like this. So that's it, an excellent way. Today you have learned how to populate PostgreSQL tables using the insert into statements. You know how to insert single records, multiple records, use specific columns and work with null values. In the next video we will learn the select statement and start retrieving and viewing data from our tables. The foundation for almost every SQL query you will write. Thank you everyone for watching. Keep learning, keep